Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I'm going to show you how to make these origami fox post-it note bookmarks. So there is a little tab here right under the nose that you can slip a page into, just like this. And then I am also taking advantage of the adhesive part of the post-it note, which is right in the front and also at the back, and you can just stick it on any part of a page to mark a line. So they're super duper cute, very easy to make, and let's get started. So this bookmark is super duper easy. You just want to take one post-it note, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the adhesive part so it's easier for you guys to see on camera. We're going to take the top side and we're going to fold it down about 1/3 of the way. Then fold it back in half, crease it in, unfold. And now using the vertical line that we just made, we're going to take this side over here and we're going to fold it diagonally, aligning it to that vertical center line, and then also the top right corner over here. So crease that in, and then do the same thing on the left side. Now we're going to take the right side and we're going to fold it back. And you're going to fold it back as far as it will allow you to create a nice point over here. So right about there, crease that in, and you see how now there's a nice triangular point right here for the ears. Do the exact same thing on the left side, so we're going to fold it back, but as far as it will allow you to create that beautiful crease right there, and then crease it in. And now I'm just going to draw in his little face. And once you've drawn in his face, he's ready to be used as a bookmark. And really, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. If you would like to see more crafty fun videos like this one, I do post a new video almost every single week. So I would love for you to join me. Be sure you hit subscribe and also turn on those notifications. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!